What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Scratch Outdoors. The wind is blowing so hard it's trying to close my door. Cloudy. Raining off and on. Guess it's gonna be one of them days. Hey, I came up here to do one specific thing today, and that's temporarily connect this solar panel, temporarily connect that to this cheap charge controller that I bought from somewhere. I don't even remember where I got it from, but I just need that to charge my 12-volt battery that runs the lights in the camper, not the one that runs everything else, but the other one. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm looking at the app, and this is a 24-volt battery, and my current state of charge is 24.2. Let me show y'all. So I'm looking at the app. My current state of charge is 24.2 volts. I got 120 watts or 119 watts coming in, give or take. Coming in at, what we got, 56 volts. At 2.2 amps coming in at 56 volts, which is giving me the 120 watts. But I'm getting a under voltage warning from the charge controller. It's kind of weird. I wonder how to fix that, because it's not under voltage. I got this El Cheapo charge controller. It's basic. It's real basic. Supposed to. It says rated for 100 amps. Yeah, right. We only need to do about maybe 10, not even that much. 15 tops, but not even that. And we want to hook up, where is it? We're going to hook up the one solar panel. And I think that might do 5 amps by itself, tops. And that's in like great, perfect conditions. It's a 100-watt solar panel. We just want to keep our 12-volt battery topped off. That's under the bed that we put in last time we was here. Let's take care of this first. I need some smaller wire. Where am I need smaller wire? All right, so I'm gonna have to go with the 12 gauge ferrule. It's a little gray one, cause these are for 10 gauge, and 10 gauge don't fit. So, all right, so I need a smaller wire. Hey, what you doing?
What's up, man?
How y'all doing this morning?
You here working again? Man, I want to see you. I want to see you. Now told me you're a handyman now.
Yeah.
You still waiting on the battery?
Doing the 12 volt side.
Huh?
Doing the 12 volt side. I rewired the breaker box.
Why?
Because inverter that was in there was trying to drain my battery.
Oh, you figured it out?
Like taking it down past halfway because it was trying the car battery that's on the front. It was dead, so it kept trying to charge it, and it ain't gonna charge.
Oh.
So I took it all the way out off the breaker box and put it on.
Oh, that's it right there, the blue one.
Yeah, it's 3 blue ones.
That's the one you had set up here last week?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's working. That's what's running all these lights.
With the 12 one?
The blue one.
Well, what the other 3 at the bottom for?
They run the big stuff, the sockets, and
the refrigerator and
and
stuff.
microwave.
So everything running? Refrigerator and everything?
Everything. Cold? Is it cold in there? Well, it's cold in here, but
Where your son at?
I'm in the bed. I gotta hurry up, get back to him.
What, you got beer in here?
Is the freezer? Is there anything in the freezer? The water froze back up because it was
Sure, it's all the rock.
right.
Cold in here, man. You got the heat on?
You working?
Sound good in me.
No, he don't work.
Well, you got all kinds of tools. What kind of tools is that? Crappy tools.
Man, that's low.
Yeah, that's for
That's a low sitting down. You can sit down. That's real low one.
well, it's a bed too, so
Oh.
yeah.
I've never seen one
Oh,
like
that's
that.
good.
You got me on this one.
Cool stuff. That's for furrows.
I never seen one like that.
That's for these things.
Yeah, I see him on TV.
When you're putting in these type of connectors, because you know you can put the bare wire in there, but it slip out over
Yeah,
time.
Ain't this something?
yeah, he got some. They got everything
I
down
mean,
there.
on that one, my first time ever seen that.
But yeah, that's what I'm putting. I'm about to put this on there. I bought another solar panel with me. I'm just gonna lay it out there until this will be a temporary setup. I'm gonna put it on the roof, but this
How
just
much this go?
like $100. That's for the charge up.
How many solar panels you got up in there?
6.
6, that makes 7.
Yeah, but this one gonna be by itself, just to charge that.
Just to charge this battery right here.
Mm-hmm.
Great, that I'm on this smart, man.
How much would that charge up?
Think back at too. What that meter do?
Huh?
That's
my phone.
Oh,
Damn cameras, everything.
camera back at too. Camera looking right in my face.
So well, I look at it. How many cameras do you have, bro?
Huh?
How many cameras do you have?
Hey Travis, tell me this. When you walk to Diane's house,
Got 6 on
how the camera, you have a whole other camera like this?
Yeah, I have on that one right there.
You pop on TV now? Shit.
Yeah, that one on right there.
Yeah, one right there.
Damn, I ain't never seen it.
See the light on?
Yeah, but I ain't know. I saw it on TV one day. I was looking at it.
On
And I saw
YouTube?
Lando walking around, dying. Got dying, sitting at the table, there, head over the head. Dying said, hey,
We fooling stuff.
I don't know what the hell is it?
Hey, the button on?
I don't know.
Yeah, press it again, and the other light come on the side.
Okay.
How we fooling something?
I made a flashlight.
You made a flashlight.
Okay, with the mom got it in the house. Ain't bright.
Well, I'm gonna get up here.
I was church this morning.
It was alright. The youth did it.
You know,
We gonna start on the floor.
it was on the table. Caught them a whole lot of space.
You got the flow stuff yet?
Hey, right there, right?
Oh, that's it. Okay. Oh, I didn't see it.
Stand right in front of it.
Sure. Oh, you rolling.
You put new carpet and everything in there.
I ain't never slept on the bed. Brand new bed. I ain't rolled it in here. I ain't never slept on it. I think I laid across the one
You
time.
sleeping on a damn time bomb like that.
No. And then I ain't got no. If I was doing something crazy with it, probably.
Burn it on in the
They
ground.
tell you cut something else off.
Alright then. I'm going to look at me one.
You gonna put them up side by side?
Put them side by. I ain't getting any big one like this though. How many this one see?
When you inside of it, don't look that big
Let's see,
though.
8 on it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah,
8 people.
8 to 10, depending on how many people.
Oh,
That's the bed right there, Wayne. That table right there is the
That table
bed.
let down for a bed.
That table that's down and the bed comes over it.
Alright guys, I don't know if y'all can see me, but I got a 10 amp fuse in here. I got the wires all made up for the battery. So let me see what I got. Boom. Positive. Put in a positive connection. Okay. Now let's reconnect the batteries with the positive and negative. That's negative connected. Let's go ahead and connect the positive. And see, there's nothing on the screen right now. I don't have the solar hooked up because I don't have it ran yet. Go ahead and connect the negative. All right. We have voltage showing up. Showing 11.9 volts on my meter. Showing it at 84%. I have 11.8 volts on the charge controller. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna have to look up what B1, B2, and B3 mean. Alright, so it's on B1. Everything's connected, and I have space to add more. Alright, so I got my drill because I need to, I guess, drill down through and get my solar panel hooked up. I think I just want to hang it off the front. So I'm just going to pop a couple, got my drill here, I'm just going to pop a couple holes. I guess here, this looks like a great spot, why not, right? I have to reseal these holes once I'm done with my temporary setup. All right. So now I need to go up underneath and fish a line through. I don't know where that hole at. Should be somewhere in there. Actually, maybe. No wonder I couldn't find it. It's way over here. through. I ain't getting my little bit back, but they up in there. Like I said, I'll come, just a temporary situation, so I'll come back and tape that up. I want the solar panel to just hang on the front somewhere, hang out for a little while. All right, we got wires coming up the floor, and they fit through both holes, and I got room to play with. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna get these wires stripped, crimped to put these furrows on the end, hook them up to the charge controller, and see what we get. Because right now we got 12.8 volts on the battery. And it should be 12, should charge up to 12.6 or something. So it's right voltage wise. So that part of the charge controller works. Like I said, it's an El Cheapo, but hopefully El Cheapo get me by till I get what I want. I want something to show. Okay, we got negative right here. Positive next to it. All right. That's what we're showing right now. Eleven 11.8 volts on the charge controller. Same thing showing on the meters. So we're gonna go plug in the solar panels outside, or the solar panel outside, and see what shows up on the screen. Okay, we're showing solar coming in. How much, I don't know. I got my multimeter. .7 volts, which is more than the charge controller, which is more than the batteries. Set a button, see what happens. 14.4 volts is what the thing is saying. But it's charging. We're charging. So that level, 81%, 11.8. It says that we are set to B1, which is for solar. I guess we'll see when next time we get back out here, just to see what's going on. See what it says on the inverter screen. That's whatever it says, because I can't see it. It's light out. Alright guys. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. Cut these. 11.8. Look.
What?
I just came to say hey before I leave.
Oh, you getting ready to leave?
Yeah.
What
I
you
snuck up here. Left everybody in the bed except for Tracy.
Oh. Oh, when I said no Travis ain't up here, then somebody said, that Travis truck right there. I said, what are you doing up here today?
Yep.
You're working on the same thing.
Yeah, I hooked that solar panel up.
So you gonna fix it?
We'll see when I come back if we charge up. Yeah, that other stuff, yeah. But I wanted to do it with the other battery.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Trash. Finish that one. I'll put it in the trash when I get up.
Whew.
Tired?
I'm tired. Tracy calling me now.
Everybody glad to see me?
Yeah,
This is a wig that I had. I put some stuff on and put it on this morning. Sucked it on up on this morning. One side up, one side down. The guy?
Fine to me.
Everybody was glad to see me this morning.
Yeah.
I told myself, I might see y'all next week, I might not.
Why not?
Went for high. Oh, okay. All right, John. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
I'm going to down home go to bed because I ain't going to sleep this morning at 20 minutes before. I don't know what happened. I woke up at 1:30. I couldn't go back to sleep.
All right, well, I'm gone.
All right, then.
All right.
All right, bye. Yes, ma'am.
Mom Duke's doing all right. So I'm gonna head on home, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Scratch Outdoors. Peace.